Algebra 2, this is your review 4.4 to 4.8. Remember, we are skipping 4.7. We'll come back to that one. So 4.4, we had complex numbers. Make sure that you are placing things into standard form when you give your answers. And it looks like I actually have to wipe out some answers here. So maybe I should actually just leave these in because they are a review. So I'm going to do that for you. I'm actually going to leave them on here so make sure you check your own work. So make sure you put things in standard form as they have here. We have standard form for a lot of these. And don't forget that when you're solving, because you end up with square roots, you're solving using that square root method. You have plus or minuses. And 4.5 is to completing the square, so we're going out of order from the lessons that I gave. Make sure that you are finding C and then rewriting it as a perfect square. So half of B squared, and that goes inside the parentheses as well with the term squared. And then when you solve, each one of these is an x value. So there are two answers, two answers, two answers, and two answers for that one. Do as many as it takes. So obviously you don't need to do all of these. Do like 40, 42, and 44. See how that goes. If you need more, do more. 4.6 is the quadratic formula and the discriminant. Make sure that you know, write down that formula every single time. It's right here for you now, but I would write it down. It says find the value of the discriminant. Remember, the discriminant is the b squared minus 4ac, that part that's inside here. And if it's positive, there's two solutions. If it's negative, it's no solution, it's imaginary. If it's equal to 0, then there's one real solution. So watch out for that. And the last one is the last lesson we had with the quadratics. Make sure that you are finding a table is probably the easiest way after finding a vertex, possibly a y-intercept, and then solid or dotted. If you have questions, make sure to talk to me about it during our next meeting and or email me. Have a great day.